everything set up till after light. Cody and Taylor are about 200 yards this way on the other side of this woods. Opening day of Ohio gun season. Like, there's a shot right there. Yeah, I'm excited about the rest of the morning. I don't really care if I don't see a deer. I just hope Conrad or Taylor sees a deer. The food plot is over there, about 100 yards away. I've never hunted in hardwoods like this in Ohio. It's mostly where we live and hunt is flat. But this looks really nice in here, so I'm excited about this morning. We'll see what happens, and should be a good day. With that, we just ran last night. The deer can walk so quietly in here. So you have to rely a lot more on sight rather than sound to pick them up. Shoot. Ah. Goodness. Yes. Oh man. That was crazy. Okay, the deer is literally down right there. That's crazy. What time is it? 9:18. So it's 9:18 right now. And I was just sitting here not paying attention. And all of a sudden, I think I might have heard something, and there was a deer. It was a smaller deer. I think it was a doe, smaller doe. But she was by herself, and she was probably 40 yards away. And so quick, grabbed the camera, turned it on, and she was coming fast. I was like, I gotta shoot quick because she was gonna get by. And I was trying to adjust the camera, and I didn't. When the knob on the fluid head is tight, it'll squeak when you adjust it. And so I didn't want to tilt it down too fast, so I was messing with that. And then I pulled up the gun to shoot at like 20 yards, and she saw me and stopped and looked up and ran off out there. And I just moved too fast. I should have been more careful. And then she trotted off over there. I tried to stop her, and she stopped out there finally behind some brush. Got on her with the gun. Once she walked out, I shot again. There's no way I could film it and still shoot. And then I was like, well, I don't know if I hit it or not, and it was still walking away. So then I shot it again as it was going out. So, and she dropped that second time. She's down right there. Thank you, Conrad, for letting me come up here and hunt. Just really appreciate it. That's the third deer I've shot from this spot this year. So I just climbed down out of the stand. Stand's right there. We're heading over here to look at the deer. Taylor and Cody are already up here. Conrad's coming over here soon, but I think it's a smaller doe, and I'm guessing I spined it. Is it a spine? Neck.
I said you shot $2 this year.
Stupid. I figured maybe. So it's November 28th, and shot this deer. This is the third deer that I've actually shot in this county. I shot 2 deer not far from where I was this morning during the early gun season here. Had an interesting morning. It came into 20 yards, and
when I swung the gun to shoot at it, I just moved too fast and it caught me. If I hadn't been filming, I could have shot that thing at 20 yards because I wouldn't have had to adjust the camera and stuff. So it took off and I thought it was over for this deer, and so but I decided to stay on it, and then I knelt down, had a rest on the tree stand, and then stopped again and I shot and it dropped on the spot. Hit it right behind the shoulder and it came out the neck and went down on the spot. So yeah, I thought it was probably a doe, but turns out it was another button buck. So yeah, that's all for this morning. I got one tag left for the county that I live in, and I'm hoping to use that on a buck. So pretty fun morning. I don't think anybody else saw any deer. You know, we're gonna get this thing taken care of, and then I'm gonna head home and hunt tonight. So now the work begins.
Ran over the hill.
Is that on public?
Yeah.
This one is a button buck too.
Come on, Adrian, stop shooting my buck.
2 years and I got